Hello everyone, welcome to maths classes. Let's solve questions 4, 5, 6 in exercise 4.3 chapter quadratic equations class 10 NCERT maths. The concept is finding roots of quadratic equation, word problems. We'll use quadratic formula. The question is, sum of the reciprocals of Rehman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Let's solve the problem. First, we don't know Rehman's age. Let Rehman's present age is equal to x. They are telling 3 years ago. So, 3 years ago, Rehman's age is what? 3 years ago means before. So, x minus 3 and 5 years from now. So, 5 years from now. Rehman's age is equal to what? 5 years from now. That means plus. X is the current age plus 5. Now they are telling reciprocals of Rehman's age is 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So, x minus 3 is his age 3 years ago. Reciprocal of x minus 3 is 1 by x minus 3. Sum, they are telling sum of reciprocals. So, sum means you should add, and then other age is what? 5 years from now. His age is x plus 5. Its reciprocal is what? 1 by x plus 5. Reciprocal means numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. If the fraction is a by b, its reciprocal is here in numerator you have a. So when we take reciprocal it will become to denominator. In denominator you have b. If you take reciprocal, b comes to numerator. This is the reciprocal. So they told sum of the reciprocals is what? 1 by 3. So this is what they gave. We need to find his present age. So first let's solve it. X minus 3 is one denominator. X plus 5 is another denominator. If you take LCM you will get x minus 3 into x plus 5. In numerator what will you get? X plus 5 plus x minus 3. This is equal to 1 by 3. X plus x, you will get 2x plus 5 minus 3. You will get plus 2 by x minus 3 into x plus 5. First multiply with x. X into x, x square, plus into plus plus, x into 5 is 5x. Next multiply with minus 3. Minus into plus, minus 3 into x is 3x, minus into plus is minus 3 into 5 is 15. This is equal to 1 by 3. 2x plus 2, we got 2x plus 2 by x square plus 5x minus 3x. You will get plus 2x minus 15. This is equal to 1 by 3. If 3 comes to left side, it will come to numerator. So, 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to this denominator x square plus 2x minus 15. It goes to right side, it will come to numerator. 1 you have. So, 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15 into 1. 3 2s are 6. So, 6x plus 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 1 into anything. You will get the same number x square plus 2x minus 15. So, if you take this 6x to left side, it will get minus 6x plus 2x. And plus 6 also if it comes to right side, it will become minus 6 minus 15. So 6x plus 6. These are on left side of the equation. They came to right side. It will become minus 6x minus 6. So 0 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 4x minus 6 minus 15. You get minus 21. Let's get everything from right hand side to left hand side, from left hand side to right hand side. Let's interchange. So the quadratic equation we got is x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So we got the quadratic equation now. If you solve the quadratic equation, we will get the values of x, roots of x. This is quadratic equation, so we will get 2 roots. Then you will find the x. They are asking to find percentage of Rehman. Percentage is x. So we need to find the value of x. X square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Let's compare this with general form of quadratic equation. Comparing with general form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 21. We need to find roots. Let's use quadratic formula. Before that, let's find discriminant. What will we know with the help of discriminant? Discriminant tells the nature of the roots. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 4 whole square minus 4a is 1. c is minus 21. Minus 4 whole square is 16. Minus square, that means minus into minus, we get plus again. For negative symbol, if the power is even number, it will change to positive. If for negative symbol, if power is odd number, it will remain negative. So here power is even. So minus into minus, it will become plus. 4 square is 16. Again minus into minus, it is plus. 21 4s are 84. So you will get 84 plus 16 is 100. So discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So you will get 2 distinct real roots. Now let's find the roots. By using quadratic formula, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let's substitute the values. X is equal to minus b, that means minus of minus 4 plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac. We already found this b square minus 4ac. We got that 100 by 2a. A is what? 1. Minus into minus is plus 4 plus r minus root 100 is what? 100 is 10 into 10. So root of 10 into 10 by 2. So root of 10 into 10, 10 squared. So root 10 square is 10. So we get 2 roots. One is 4 plus 10 by 2. The other is 4 minus 10 by 2. 4 plus 10 by 2 is 14 by 2. 2 ones, 2 sevens. That is 7. 4 minus 10 means minus 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes. This is what? Minus 3. The roots we got is 2 distinct roots, 7 and minus 3. But what is x here? X is the percentage of Rehman. X is present age of Rehman. Age of Rehman. Age will never be a negative number. Age will never be a negative number. Age will never be a negative number. So we can't take this value x is equal to minus 3. So our answer is x is equal to, we should take x is equal to 7. So present age of Rehman is 7 years. So using the quadratic equation, we should find the quadratic equation and then use the quadratic formula to find the age in this problem. If you like the content, don't forget to share the video, subscribe and comment. Next question. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. They have given sum of the Shefali's marks in mathematics and English. Okay. Sum of marks in math and English. It is what? 30. But we don't know the marks individually. Marks in maths and English. So let marks in maths is equal to x. Marks in English is equal to what? Here sum of the marks is 30. So if marks in maths is x, then marks in English will be 30 minus x. Now, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics? So, if marks in mathematics is 2 marks more, initially marks is what? X. 2 marks more means what? 2 marks more in maths. That means marks is x plus 2 and 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less in English. Then marks will be what? 3 marks less. Currently it is 30 minus 6. They are telling 3 marks less again. So you should subtract 3 again. You will get what? 30 minus 3 is 27. 27 minus 6. So currently marks in maths is x plus 2 and marks in English is 27 minus 6. Then in this case they are telling the product of their marks would have been 210. So if the marks are 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of these 2 marks will be 210. They have given it as 210. So x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210. They are asking to find marks in 2 subjects. So let's find the quadratic equation first. X into 27, 27x. Next x into minus x square. 2 into 27, you will get 54. Plus into minus 2 into x is 2x is equal to 210. That means what do you get? Minus x square. 27x minus 2x, it is 25x plus 25x plus 54. 210 is on right side of the equation. If it comes to left side, it will become minus 210 is equal to 0. So you get minus x square plus 25x minus 210 plus 54. What do you get? 200 minus 50 is 150. Minus 4 is 146. You have 10 again. So 156 minus 156 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. If we solve this quadratic equation, we will find the roots. That is the values of x. That value of x is marks in maths. If you get x, we will also get marks in English. 30 minus x. The quadratic equation we got is minus x square plus 25x minus 156 is equal to 0. See, we should use, yes, comparing with general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to -1, b is equal to 25, c is equal to -156. Now, we can use quadratic formula to find the value of x. Before that, let's find the discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. B square, that means 25 square minus 4a. A is -1, c is -156. 25 square is 625. Minus into plus minus, minus into minus, plus into minus again, minus. 4 into 156. 4 into 100 is 400. 4 into 50 is 200. 600. So you get 624. So 625 minus 624, you got discriminant is 1. 1 is greater than 0. So you will get two distinct real roots. If discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we will get two distinct real roots. Now let's find roots using quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let's substitute. X is equal to minus b, that means minus 25 plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac. Already we found b square minus 4ac. What did we get? We got 1 by 2. A is what? Minus 1. So you get minus 25 plus r minus root 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So we will get two roots. Those are minus 25 plus 1 by minus 2, and the second root is minus 25 minus 1 by minus 2. So minus 25 plus 1 is what? Minus 24 by minus 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So one root is 12. The other one. Minus 25 minus 1. So you get minus 26 by minus 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 3s are. You got 13. So you get two distinct real roots. The values of x are 12 and 13. Now, what is the? We got two values for x. X is equal to 12 and x is equal to 13. See, if we assume the root x is equal to 12. X is what? X is marks in maths. So, marks in maths, that is x will be 12. If marks in maths x is equal to 12, then marks in English will be what? It is 30 minus x. So 30 minus 12. So 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. So if marks in maths is 12, we will get marks in English as 30. Now let's consider x is equal to 13. If x is 13, then marks in maths, that is x will be 13. Then marks in English, that is 30 minus x. So 30 minus 13. 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 minus 3 is 17. So if x is assumed as 13, marks in maths will be 13 and marks in English will be 17. Diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. We need to find the sides of the field. They have given us certain values. Let's see. To solve this problem, let's draw a rectangle. Why we are drawing a rectangle? Because they told it is a rectangular field. Let's solve it now. This is the longer side of the rectangle. Longer side means this. This is the longer side. And this is the shorter side of the rectangle. And this will be the diagonal of the rectangle. They are telling diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. That means diagonal length is depending on the shorter side. So let us assume, let shorter side. Why we are assuming shorter side? Because diagonal length is depending on the shorter side. Shorter side of the field. The rectangular field is x meters. Then they are telling diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Then diagonal of rectangular field will be what? 60 meters more than shorter side. 60 meters more means shorter side is x. 60 meters more means plus 60. You will get x plus 60 meters. And now they are telling if longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Now longer side of rectangular field is what? 30 meters more than the shorter side. Shorter side is x. So it will be x plus 30 meters. 30 meters more. So plus. So longer side value is what? X plus 30. Shorter side value is x. And diagonal length is what? X plus 60. We need to find the sides of the field. See, if you observe this figure, it is a rectangle. So this angle here will be 90 degrees. That means if we consider half of the rectangle, it will be a right angle triangle because one angle is 90 degrees. This is the shorter side x. Here you will have x and longer side will become base of the right angle triangle. Diagonal will become hypotenuse. So diagonal of the rectangle will become what? Hypotenuse. Then length of the rectangle will become adjacent side of the right angle triangle. And breadth of the rectangle, that is shorter side, will become what? Opposite side of the right angle triangle. We know what? This is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, you can use which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, you can tell what? Hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. This is x plus 60 is hypotenuse. Opposite side is x. This is opposite side and this will be adjacent side. So hypotenuse square means x plus 60 square is equal to opposite side square. That means x square plus adjacent side square. X plus 30 square. If you solve, what do you get? A plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square. This is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. We can use that formula here. We will get x square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 60 plus b square means 60 square. This is equal to, right side you have x square. Then x plus 30 square. If you expand this, x square plus 2 into x into 30. X plus 30 whole square. That means it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Plus b square. A square plus 2ab. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, you get what? X square. 2 into 60 is 120x. 60 square is 3600 is equal to x square plus x square, 2x square. 2 into 30 is 60x plus 900. X square plus 120x plus 3600 is equal to 2x square plus 60x plus 900. So x square as it is, this 2x square if it comes to left side will become minus 2x square plus 120x as it is. This 60x it will come to left side will become minus 60x plus 3600. This 900 if it comes to left side of the equation will become minus 900 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x square is minus x square plus 120x minus 60x plus 60x. 3600 minus 900 is plus 2700. Now we got in standard form of quadratic equation. So let's comparing with general form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You get a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 60, c is equal to 2700. We can find the roots using quadratic formula. Before that, let's find the discriminant. Discriminant tells us the nature of roots. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. B square means 60 square minus 4a is minus 1. C is 2700. 60 square is 6 square is 36. 63,600 minus into minus is plus. 4 into 2700. 4 into 20 is what? 80. 4 into 7 is 28. So 80 plus 28, 108. You have 100. 2700. So 10800. So 3600 plus 10800. 108 plus 36. 100 plus 30 is 130. 136 plus 8. So 14400. So we got discriminant is what? 14,400. It is greater than 0. So we will get what? We will get two distinct real roots. So we can use the quadratic formula to find the roots now. X is equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We'll substitute the values. X is equal to minus b means minus 60 plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac. We already found it. We got 14,400 by 2a. A is what? Minus 1. So minus 60 plus r minus 14,400. We can write as what? 144 into 100 by 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So you get minus 60 plus r minus root of 144. Root of 144 is what? 12. You have 100 again. Root of 100 is what? 10. So you get 12 into 10 by minus 2. This is equal to minus 60 plus r minus 120 by minus 2. So you get two roots. Those are minus 60 plus 120 by minus 2. The other root is minus 60 minus 120 by minus 2. Minus 60 plus 120 is what? Plus 60. 60 by minus 2. 2 ones, 2 30s. So you got 30 by minus 1. That means minus 30 is one value. And then minus 60 minus 120 means minus 180 by minus 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2 90s are 180. So you get 90. So you got two distinct real roots. The values of x, those real roots are minus 30 and 90. The values of x is minus 30 and 90. What was our initial assumption? X is what? X is the shortest side of the field. That means it is shortest side of the field. X meters we assume. Will length be a negative value? Length will never be a negative value. Length will never, length or breadth, anything. Breadth will never be a negative value. Here shortest side means it is the breadth of the rectangle. It will never be a negative value. So x is minus 30. This we cannot consider. So we will consider x as 90. That means the result what we got? Shortest side. They are asking to find the sides of the rectangle field. So shortest side of rectangular field, that is x, will be 90 meters. And they have also asked what? Longer side of the rectangular. Longer side of the rectangular field is x plus 30 meters. So longer side of rectangular field will be what? X plus 30. That means 90 plus 30, that is equal to 120 meters. So we got the shortest side of the rectangular field and longest side of the rectangular field. If you want, we can find the diagonal of the rectangular field also. Diagonal of rectangle field. Diagonal of rectangle field is what? We assume x plus 60. X plus 60. That means 90 plus 60. That is 150 meters. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.